Well, different strategies are required for handling factual and abstract topics. Factual topics are rich in terms of facts, are rich in terms of information, and therefore it is advisable that you read. Now, what do you read? You read across the environments, you read so as to update yourself with respect to what is going on in the environment. You definitely stay in touch with current affairs and specifically targeting economic and business areas. Why? Because you're aiming for a program in business management. So factual topics would require a strong understanding of current affairs and a strong opinion formation. It's not just knowing a particular event in terms of the happenings there, but it is also knowing the overall analysis of the topic and being able to form a discrete opinion with respect to that particular topic. And therefore, the editorials of certain leading newspapers would be a good input there. On the other hand, we have abstract topics. Now, abstract topics would play a very crucial role in understanding your perception and the way you look at certain things. And therefore, it is suggested that you first diverge and then try to think of all possible ideas in that particular topic. For example, if the topic is red versus blue, I think the first thing which would probably come to your mind is Coke and Pepsi. The second thing may be men are from Mars and women are from Venus. The third thing may be red and blue as being two different colors and therefore having different frequencies and wavelengths. So one can see different ideas coming along. So I think the first challenge is to spread on the x-axis. The first challenge is to include as many points as you can think of. But this has to be quick. Why? Because the challenge is not just thinking in terms of different ideas. The challenge is also in terms of consolidating. And the next challenge, therefore, is to pull out any one or two such ideas and then adding some vertical depth to it. The problem here is that people may not agree to your perception. They may like to hold on to what they think about that topic. Now, this is where your persuasion abilities come into play. So you have to use persuasion techniques in terms of creating that trust and reliability, in terms of managing their emotions, in terms of showing them logic and upside in what you want to discuss. So I think if you have these strategies intact, you may be able to handle these topics really well.